Hey guys, I'm so excited for you to watch this, approximately 3-4 minute video where my team did a little mashup from this year's content from all the guests we had. The theme of this video, and it's why I'm so excited, is I get a chance to speak to a lot of people, and what I hear most is, Jas, how do you stay positive? And even when you're negative, how do you stay positive? And the truth of the matter is, man, it's if you put garbage in here, you're going to get garbage out. What we did here is giving you all the inspirational and positive messages from all of our guests from this year. So I hope you enjoy it. Give us the feedback and keep it coming. Love you guys. Take care.
Why do you throw around this ready, fire, aim?
It's not something I made up. It's from a fantastic book called The Success Principles by Jack Canfield. That book has 64 success principles, and one that stuck with me really, really well and for a very long time was ready, fire, aim.
The third is probably the most important. It's the simplest, is do something.
Okay.
Do something. Take a chance. Just do something.
Because I think a lot of people wait for their moment to strike them, but it doesn't. It's not like lightning.
The biggest barrier to entry in business is not money or time or skill or experience. It's just doing it. Just doing something, And that's the entrepreneurial way. We just figure something out, we just do it, and we try it.
What has probably contributed to my success the most is the ability to just do it. Like, just go, fire, and then you'll figure out the target after, because then you'll get the feedback.
If he can do it, you can do it. Just go talk to him. So ask him. Like, have you asked him, how do you close so many deals? Have you asked him how to do this? And I was like, no, so I'm nervous, I don't know.
It's who you go out and you meet and you shake hands with and you build relationships.
That's true. Yeah, you never know how it's going to come back around.
I was relentlessly determined to start figuring out how is it that some people kind of have a lot, and I studied the 80-20 rule, right? The whole idea that 20% of the population controls 80% of all the assets, and they do it with 20% of their time.
There's a reason there's a saying that your net worth all depends on your network, and so essentially your net worth will be determined by your network.
Why am I listening to people? Taking money advice from people who have no money is just dumb.
It doesn't make sense.
Why would I do that?
Don't let fear over-consume you. Listen to your stomach, bypass that fear, and go into action mode and see how you can make it work.
And what you find when you finally get in the game is where you belong.
If he can do this, I can do it. I'm just doing it the wrong way, or I'm just thinking about this the wrong way. So that kept me in the business when I was about to quit.
If you don't enjoy what you do, find something else to do. Even if it pays less. Yes. Every no is an opportunity to rephrase and come back with a different solution that's closer to a yes.
Yes. And in the process of getting in the game and being open to whatever's out there, you start to find the things you're passionate about.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
If you didn't enjoy it, it would come across.
I could do this all day long. All day long.
It doesn't pay as well as real estate.
Well, yeah, exactly.